Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The ADX is losing steam and is currently negative. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.6% in the last session. The RSI is cooling down and is now giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator shifted sharply into the neutral zone. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.5% in the last session. Stochastic has moved sharply into the negative area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Current market conditions may keep the price of gold afloat, as the FOMC appears to be on track to retain the current policy at the next rate decision. Coinbase and Apple are still not getting along months after Coinbase warned customers it might remove an application from the Apple Store. Microsoft said in a court filing that Apple's threat to cut off the creator of Fortnite from Apple's developer tools would hurt Microsoft's gaming business as well as other game developers.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The German GDP will be released at 400 GMT, the Swiss employment level at 430 GMT, the German IFO Business Climate Index at 600 GMT, the U.S. Red Book at 1055 GMT, the U.S. API Weekly Crude Oil Stock at 1830 GMT, and New Zealand's trade balance at 2045 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.